morning friends. Today we are going to revise writing skill activity. It is important for both standard 9th and standard 10th. This question is asked in English activity sheet. Question number 6b. Expand the theme. There are two options in this activity. B1 and B2. So B1 is news story and B2 story writing with the help of given beginning or end. So either beginning or ending line, closing line of the story will be given in the activity sheet. With the help of that clue, you have to develop full story, or the headline is given here. Here, if you want to attempt news story, you have to read the headline and develop the full news story. If you want to go with B2, because they are alternative to each other, so you have to read the given beginning line or ending line and develop the complete story. Now see some important features or tips for news story. The given headline is to be used as title. What is to be used as title? This headline is to be used as a title. Then next step is byline. Means, for example, staff reporter or correspondent or students representative. So this is byline. Then place and date. Intro means introduction paragraph, small paragraph of 2 to 3 lines. It is called as intro in short. And continuous paragraph of the main event. So these are the steps. While writing the news, we have to consider few questions. First question is, what is the incident? Or what is the nature of the incident or happening? Then second is, how did it take place? When and where And last important question, what will be its impact? So if you consider these questions in context with the given headline, you will come to know how to develop the news. It should be realistic. So keeping presence of mind, we can practice it enough and we can score full marks in news story writing. Then story writing, it is imaginary writing. You have to develop the story by reading the given beginning line or ending line. It needs ample reading of various stories. It needs presence of mind. For writing an effective story, you need enriched vocabulary, and important thing along the side is accuracy in sentence structure, I mean grammar. So all these things are essential. So let us practice B1 news story. This activity is for 5 marks. So write a news story with the help of the given headline. The headline is "No mask, pay fine." This is the headline. So let us start. So be ready with your notebook and pen and practice with me. So you will come to know how I write a story, news story. No mask, pay fine. Byline. Lokmat News Network. Place and date. Nashik, February 25. So let us start. After the directions by the Health Minister, Mr. Rajesh Tope, the strict action has been taken by NMC officials coordinating with the police. You can say the Nashik police. To observe strict implementation of the guidelines to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Since the last week due to the growth in COVID-19 patients, the NMC administration has come to the conclusion to find the people not wearing masks at public places. A person without mask will be now imposed fine rupees 1000 this was needful to make aware of those who were creating nuisance and it was hazardous to others. Nashikites have welcomed this decision as some have reacted to our office. Said NMC sources. So in this way we can write the news. It needs a lot of practice of reading newspaper, one thing. Few more tips I forgot to tell initially. News story is to be written in passive voice and always prefer third person subject. So do not write in first person or second person, and mostly use passive voice construction. So if you read many more news regularly and keep all these tips in mind, practice enough, this is really a very good activity to score full marks. Thank you.